What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Hongos, and today's unboxing will be on this Ilford reusable camera by Moments. I was really interested in the camera overall because of the price. As we see currently, the price of film cameras and film in general is going up very, very high. If you can find yourself a good, inexpensive camera that you can carry around, you can learn a lot from just shooting day to day, especially as people are looking for Contax T2s. Not saying that this is a Contax, but it is a great alternative, as I saw with the samples. However, those samples are, the best of the best that come from a camera like this in the correct settings. I'm gonna be reading you off the specs that comes here in the box. It's all plastic, very retro. Personally, I'm not a fan of plastic wrapping. I wish this was covered in paper, a much more, environmentally friendly packaging. So from here, this lens is 31 millimeters with an f9 optical lens. It has a built-in flash, focus free from 1 millimeter. And it comes with a wrist strap, which is really nice. I don't see the wrist strap in here, but maybe once we start unboxing it, I'll find the strap in there. So let's get started. We get it from the top, and I still don't know what kind of batteries this takes. Nice, look at that. Very easy to open. I really appreciate it when, it's easy to open the box. It's like razors, right? Any guy knows that razors are super hard to get out of. So here is the camera strap and the manual. I don't think you'll really need to read the manual. Oh, it's cute. They give you little cute annotations here and how to load the film. This is not automatically rewind. So we're also going to be loading some film in there. For my first impressions, this camera is like a toy camera. If you've ever shot just a disposable camera, it's the exact same feeling. It's very cheap. But I like that they have a place where you can put your thumb. I believe this runs on AA batteries. Yeah, AA batteries. No, AAA batteries. So this is a triple battery camera. And then you can pop it from the top. So I'm going to load in both a battery and the film, and we'll see from there. I like the blue. Like, the blue is a very attractive color. And yeah, it's very cheap. The grip isn't very good. This is what it sounds like. Not the best sounding camera, but it has a lot of those toy features. I don't know. Oh, and the flash too. So I'll let the flash go off later on. But let me just load it for right now. And at the bottom of the camera, there's also a rewind button. We got the battery loaded in there. So this part right here where you open the camera, it's actually pretty sturdy. I'm surprised at that. That's probably the sturdiest part of this camera. Of course, we always have to shoot portrait. So I'm going to do this, the most illegal thing on the internet, which is use my iPad to record this top view. You guys are going to make so much fun of me for doing this. I genuinely feel like a boomer. This is embarrassing, but this is what the camera looks like from the top. This little tray right here, you want to make sure that there is no bend like mine does. Mine has like a little bend. 31 millimeters. So this is at 31 millimeters at the moment. Let me just shoot the wall because, we got our new wall in the studio. So I'm going to be shooting it from over there. Overall, I'd say that this camera is not worth $35. At most, it's like $20 to $25. But with stuff going on in the economy, I understand why they have to price it at this price point. Plus shipping and handling. So you get like $50. They use FedEx. The lens is clearly plastic. $35 seems a little bit steep, and the flash didn't go off, which is a little strange because, oh, okay, so whatever the thingy is holding here is what it'll be. So right now it's on flash, so I heard it power on. Let me retake the photo again. Okay, so I shot it off. The flash isn't very strong either, which kind of sucks, But I don't think that this is supposed to be a professional camera either. It's just for fun. And yeah, there's really nothing much to that. I really had to test it out. I feel indifferent about it having AA batteries. I feel like if they went with a AAA battery, it would have been just a little bit better, But I'm going to test it out with other portrait and other film, and then we'll go from there. Just to wrap it up, also something that I noticed towards the end is this very small red light. So once you boot it up, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's like a high frequency noise. I'll save all my opinions for the review, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below because I have more content coming out. Also, make sure to follow me on the Foundation app. Upvote me on there as I'm trying to sell some NFTs. And you can follow me on Twitter. In addition, I put down a buy me a coffee down in the link below. If in any way, shape, or form I provided you value or you like my videos, that would really help out. Film cameras are becoming really expensive, and film itself is over the moon at the moment. And not the good type over the moon. It's just ridiculous. So any way that you can help, it would be amazing. No obligation. If you're in some sort of financial trouble or anything like that, don't donate, please. Like, do what you need to do with your money first, and then if you feel like it. But it's down below. Feel free to always tweet at me. Let me know what you think about my videos. At the end of the day, I thank you so much for your time and your attention. My name's Ismi Hongos, and I'll catch you in the next one.